So now we will see the responsive text. Responsive text size. Control K, Control C. H3 responsive text size. The text size can be set with the view width unit. So we can use, as before we have used pixel. Now well, there is another unit also called view width unit, which means viewport width. The way the text size will follow the size of the browser. So for example, if I put in comment, for example, I've put h1 viewport width. Okay, so if I increase the size, well, I already have that one, but I can remove this one and I will show you from scratch. For example, you see viewport width, it is always same. It is not decreasing or increasing. It is always the same. No matter which size of your browser is, it will always remain the same size. So if we use in the style property, like font size 10 viewport width, so it will increase and decrease the size of this text according to the size of your browser. You see, it is increasing. You see, it is increasing. If I decrease the size of the browser, it will decrease as well. So one viewport width is equal to 1% of viewport width. If viewport is 50 centimeter wide, so one viewport width is 0.5 centimeter. So this is the unit viewport. It is used to increase and decrease the size according to the size of your browser.